is Unomas again, signing in. It's 4:42 p.m. Do you miss me, guys? I hope so, because I miss you very, very, very much. So, this is another tutorial as usual. Unomas style of tutorial. Okay? So, without making further ado, this is the title of my tutorial. Unomas tutorial, how to destroy someone's computer very fast, for educational purpose only, guys. Okay, this is for, take note, for educational purpose only. Okay, for educational purpose only. Okay, to do that, it's very simple. Okay, for example, you're in a computer shop, or you're in a your friend's computer, maybe a laptop or a computer shop friend. Okay, it's very simple. What you must do is type this code. See, type this code on a notepad. Once you type this code on a notepad, you see, notepad, see, once you type this code on a notepad, what you must do, and it's so very simple. Okay, just save it. Do you want to save the changes? Okay, if you said yes, if you type yes, okay, if you will click yes, so it will automatically go and it will be saved. If you want to save the notepad, okay, fast and simple. Once you save it, of course I will not save it because I don't want to destroy my own computer, but I have made a record on a computer shop. Okay, I will no. Okay, just say no. I will not destroy my own computer. Okay, just to show you that this thing works. Okay, watch very carefully. I'll play this one for you. This is a record for my computer shop. A computer shop with a cell phone. Okay, cell phone recorder. You see? The computer is destroyed. Dead. See? 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 Watch very carefully, okay, guys? The computer is dead already. Okay, it's all messed up. So, this is just a tutorial, a Unomas tutorial. Don't Okay guys. Don't. Okay, let's stop. Okay guys, that is just the tutorial. Okay, so this is the title of my tutorial. You see. Okay, thank you guys, thank you YouTube. Simple and easy. Just type in the code in the notepad and save it, and it's done. The computer is dead. It's all destroyed. Okay guys, this is Sonoma signing out in YouTube. Thank you. Mwah, mwah.